Welcome to Crazy Auto Premiere, where we bring you the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury sedans with the 2020 Volvo S90. Let's explore what sets this car apart. In the competitive luxury market, the Volvo S90 is a standout among luxury sedans, offering a unique size that fits between midsize and full-size competitors. With exceptional interior space and Scandinavian-inspired design, it's a true rival to the Mercedes A-Class. For the 2024 model year, Volvo has made some exciting updates. The S90 Recharge plug-in hybrid is now available in the lower plus trim, making it more accessible to drivers seeking efficiency without compromising on power. Plus, there's a striking new color option called Vapor Gray Metallic, starting at $59,495 and going up to $72,395. The Volvo S90 offers a range of configurations to suit different preferences. We recommend opting for the Recharge plug-in hybrid in the Plus trim for its excellent blend of value and power. Under the hood, the S90 comes equipped with a 295 horsepower V6 mild hybrid powertrain, delivering a solid performance with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.4 seconds. The Recharge plug-in hybrid variant offers even more impressive acceleration and efficiency. In terms of fuel economy, the V6 powertrain achieves EPA ratings of 22 mpg city and 31 mpg highway, while the hybrid Recharge models offer up to 66 mpg combined, making it a great choice for eco-conscious drivers. Step inside the S90, and you'll find a cabin that's truly impressive. High-end materials like open-pore wood and genuine leather create a modern and comfortable space, though some expected features like power steering adjustments may be lacking. The S90 features a 9.0-inch infotainment touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and offers over-the-air software updates. While the system may require a learning curve, it provides a range of connectivity options for tech-savvy drivers. When it comes to safety, Volvo doesn't disappoint. The S90 comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of standard driver assistance features, including automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, providing peace of mind on the road. Volvo offers a standard 4-year warranty covering 50,000 miles, along with complimentary scheduled maintenance for the initial 3 years or 36,000 miles, ensuring that owners are well taken care of. In conclusion, the 2020 Volvo S90 is a luxury sedan that stands out from the crowd with its unique design, exceptional performance, and commitment to safety and comfort. Whether you're seeking efficiency, power, or luxury, the S90 delivers on all fronts. That wraps up our overview of the 2020 Volvo S90. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crazy Auto Premiere for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.